Who remembers the different types of graphs that we have covered?
Line.
Raise your hand. Yes. Line graph?
Hair. No, type of graph.
The types of graphs. The types of graphs. We did line graphs where we put the points and we connect
I
them.
didn't say that one.
What
I just
else?
said it.
What other types have we done? So Isabel said the hair graph. What type of graph is that? Where we made a question and then we went around and asked everybody.
Hair.
That one was called a bar graph.
Bar graph.
And then the last type that we learned was when we drew the pictures. And what would we call that one where we drew the pictures for each one? No.
I don't know. He knows.
Where we said the boys versus the girls in the class.
Yeah, I know, but
It's called a pictograph. So we have done line graph, bar graph, and pictograph. And now we're going to continue. We're going to continue today with this also. So remember, we first had the two numbers here. Does anyone remember the name that what we call these numbers here?
No. 4, 6. Arrows.
They're called ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. And what do you? And who remembers? So the 4 and the 6. What one is the 4 going this way or is the 4 going up? Raise your hand. Alpha? Horizontal. So the 4, Isabel, this is the time to listen
one and the 6
so that you know how to do the activity.
I know what it is.
So the 4, like Alpha said, is the one going on the bottom. The 6 is up,
Okay.
vertical. Horizontal, vertical. 4, horizontal. The second is going up. 6.
So 4, 6 would be
So,
that one.
Alpha, wait till I call you, please. Who would like to come up here and color in, but look where the numbers are. This is the 1 box. This is 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is this box. So 4, 6. Orion, can you come up in here and color in the whole box? Color in the 4, 6 box.
Tienes que colorear la cajita de 4, 6.
Pintar la caja de 4, 6. ¿Dónde está 4, 6? 4, 6. So 4 is going this way. Find 4. Where's 4?
4, ¿dónde está
4
4?
goes
Para
this way.
abajo.
And then 6.
6 para arriba.
So where do they meet?
Es una cajita.
6. Yes. Very good. Oh,
No colors.
good. He found 4, 6.
I was going to 4, 6.
The next is 5, 6. Isabel, can you come up with 5, 6? Good. 5 over 6 up. And Alpha, can you do the last one? 5, 5. Excellent. So everybody understands those two aspects of it. Does everyone understand those?
Stop it.
It looks like it. So today we're going to put a little twist on it to make it a little bit more complicated.
Oh, no.
But they correspond to a color. So Y will be yellow, P, it could be purple or pink. And look at this box. This box I indicated is cut in half. Half of it on this side is going to be purple, and half of this is going to be white. White? Oh, white. This indicates that when you color in the box, what color it's going to be. And in the end, it's going to be a picture.
Really?
So 4-6 we said is yellow. So if we had colored pens, this box would be yellow. You would color it yellow.
Is it picture? So are we going to
5-6, Isabel, wait till I finish explaining, and after, if you have any questions, I will get to you. 5-6, this one would be colored in purple. What about this box?
White.
How would we color in this box? 5-5.
Half purple, half white.
Right, so you have to follow. This would be purple, and this you would keep it white. So, what I want you guys to do is I want you to think in your head a picture that you want your graph to come out with.
Oh, we're going to make the numbers?
And you're going to make the numbers and the directions, and we're going, after you finish,
We're going to swap them around and color them.
you're going to trade, and so Isabel's going to do Elfo's, or Elfo's going to do Isabel's, and you're going to switch, and you're going to follow the directions of how to color in your graph. So first, in your head you have to think about the picture that you want to come out. So in my head, I was thinking this was going to be a flower. Yellow in the middle, and then I was going to be purple, 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 and then a green stem, and a leaf. That's what I was thinking in my head. But you could do, what are some other ideas of pictures? Yeah?
A house.
You could do a house, yeah?
Helicopter?
Oh, that would be. So you can use it. The thing is, Orion, you can use these half boxes. You can say gray on this side, but don't color in the other half of the box. White. Okay? Alpha?
But the picture's going to be square.
It's going to be square or with, look, alpha, or with diagonals. You can do half the box. You could do a box this way. You could say, oh, I want this half to be pink and this, but you have to give the directions next to your ordered pair. Yes.
Can you come up with more numbers than 5?
You can make your graph as big as you can, as you want. I'm going to give you paper to draw it. But remember if you make it too complicated, what happens?
It's going to be impossible.
It's going to... So let's keep it semi-simple.
But what is going to happen? What is going to happen if you put it more complicated?
You can, but you have to think in your mind right now, Isabel, think about how your picture is going to happen, how it's going to come out. And then remember the ordered pairs. Everyone, this is the most important thing. The 4 is horizontal, the first one. The second number is vertical.
I know.
Horizontal, vertical. Okay. And to make your graphs, I'm going to give you
I'm still thinking
each a
about it.
ruler. And a piece of paper. So first is the part that you need to draw. How many rows and how many columns do you want your graph to be?
Okay.
I would advise you guys to do no more than 10. No more than 10 this way and 10 up.
Okay. I need 20.
Let's try and make it smaller because this is our first one, and maybe the second one you can make it bigger.
Yay! We're going to make 2.
You can see how this goes first. Yes. how big you want it to be. And number your boxes. 1, 2.
Can I do it too big?
You can make your boxes bigger if you want. You can make your graph however you want.